I am Varun Kumar. Now we are going to discuss division of fraction of class 7, and we are going to learn how we are going to perform a division of fractions. Here we want to know in how many line segment each of length 2 centimeter can a line segment of length 8 centimeter be divided. See here, and we are going to understand what the problem is. Problem is we have to divide 8 centimeter in how many part we will get when each part is of 2 centimeter. And for that, what we will have to do? We have to divide 8 by 2. See here, second is, we want to know in how many line segment each of length 5 by 2 centimeter can a line segment of length 10 centimeter be divided. Here, a question is, if we have a 10 centimeter of line segment and we have to divide 10 centimeter of line segment by 5 by 2, then how we are going to solve this? So in this we also have to divide 10 divided by 5 by 2. Division of a whole number by a fraction. How we are going to do that? See, we are starting from very basics, because if anybody have not studied in their earlier classes, they will also understand. So it is very easy for everyone. Now, what is 2 divided by 1 by 4? See here, if we have to divide 2, we are going to draw a 2 box, 1 by 1 and 2. Now, we have to divide by how much? 1 by 4. We are going to distribute 1 and 2 in equal 1 by 4 parts. When we divide 1 by in 4 parts, we have to cut into a 4 part, that is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Again, 2 is another, and we have to divide 2 in again 4 part, and we get 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now we are going to count how many 1 by 4 can be obtained from total 2. See in this picture, we are going to count this 1 by 4 and we will get the answer 4. Similarly, if we have to divide 1 by 4 into 3 equal parts, it means what? We have to divide 1 by 4 into 3 equal parts. How we are going to do that? See here. 1 can be divided into 4 parts, and each part is called as the 1 by 4. It is very easy. Now, if we have to divide 1 by 4 into 3 parts, what we have to do? We have to draw equal line, and we are going to cut, see here, first 1 by 4 is cut into a 3 parts. And when we are going to divide 1 by 4 into 3 parts, we get again lesser part. That's why we get 1 by 12 is the correct answer. Now, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. We have studied earlier also about this, but we are going to discuss again. B by A is called the reciprocal of a fraction A by B. In this, we are actually reversing the numerator and denominator. What was the numerator? Now change it into a denominator, and what was the denominator? We have to change it into the numerator. See here, example. If 2 number is multiplied and we get a result 1, it means that both number are reciprocal to each other. Hence, 2 non-zero number are called reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Type 1. Problem based on finding quotient of 2 fractions. Working rule. Use the following facts whichever is required. First is reciprocal of non-zero number. A is 1 by A. We already know. Now reciprocal of m by n is now n by n. For 2 fractions A by B and C by D, A by B is divided by C by D, then we have to take the reciprocal of C by D and we get D by C. Then the sign of division change into a multiply, and we have to now change the c by d into d by c, and we get the result a into d by b into c. That is the answer. Write whole number a as a by 1 and then proceed. If we have to multiply any fraction with a whole number, then we may write down a whole number by 1 and we change it into a whole number into a fraction. See example, if we have to change 4 by 3, what we will have to do? We have to change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So the answer is 3 by 4. See here, whole number. If we have to change the whole number and we have to take the reciprocal of whole number, we have to write down in denominator first 1 and then flip the numerator and denominator, and we get the result 1 by 2. See another example. Whole 2 4 by 5 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 4 by 5. We can write down 1 as 5 by 5 plus 5 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Now we get a result is 14 by 5. Because all the denominator is same, so we just add the numerator 5 plus 4, that equals to 14 by 5. Now see in the next figure, 2 whole 4 by 5 now can be written as 14 by 5. Now if we have to find the denominator, find the reciprocal of 14 by 5, we get 5 by 14. See question 7 divided by 3 by 4. First we have to change the whole number into the fraction, that is equals to 7 by 1. Now we have, for changing the division sign into multiplication, we have to change the fraction after the division, that is 3 by 4. So we have to change the reciprocal of 3 by 4. We have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. And now we are going to multiply 7 into 4 by 3 into 1, that is equals to how much? 28 by 3. Now 28 by 3 is improper fraction, and we have to change a improper fraction into a proper mixed fraction, and we get 9 whole 1 by 3. See another example, 16 divided by 5 by 8. What we will have to do first? We have to again change the whole number into a fraction, that is equals to 16 by 1, and we have to change the division sign, and for changing the division sign we have to change the fraction 5 by 8, and we get 8 by 5, that is a reciprocal of 5 by 8, and then we can write down 16 by 1 into 8 by 5 equals to 128 by 5, that is equals to 128 by 5 equals to 25 whole 3 by 5. Some more examples. Now we have to divide a two fraction. How we are going to do that? For that we have to see this example, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. When we have to change the division fraction into multiplication, we have to change the fraction after that into their reciprocal, and for that we are going to write down 2 by 3 as 3 by 2, and the result is 4 by 5 into 3 by 2. Now we are going to multiply it, that is equals to 12 by 10. Now this is a improper fraction, so we are going to change into a mixed fraction, that is equals to 1 whole 1 by 5. See another example again, 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. See the process again, we are going to discuss it. Leave the first fraction alone. It means what? We have to leave the 1 by 3. And now division sign change into a multiplication sign. We are going to write down multiply. Now flip the second fraction. Flip means we have to take the reciprocal. And what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? Reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Now we have to multiply the numerator separately and multiply the denominator separately, and we get result 1 into 5 by 3 into 2, that is equals to 5 by 6.